Which one? The truck? And the cars? Yeah. You know how to put them together? You know how to match them up? Yeah? What color's that? Blue. Green. You don't want to do it no more?
I'll start from the beginning.
No?
Training Deadpool, and I'm an X-Man. Training! Shut it! Look, I get it. Right? You're scared, alone. You got no family. What? I didn't have a family either. You live in this dump. Well, guess what? I used to live in a shithole just like it. But you know something? Make matters worse.
That one?
It's a confusing time in your life right now. Your body
Get out of
is
that
going
one.
through some fiery changes. Too far. I went too far. That was effervescent. Stay in school, kid.
That one.
Or don't. I didn't. I'm an X-Man.
What'd you get? Which one did you get? Which one? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, you gonna color? Wow.
Get used to this X-Man shit. Trainee!
Get a power restraint on him now!
Calm down, Squirt. It's over. We gotcha. What's that do?
Power damage collar. Just
What is that?
You can't get it off
The sheep.
unless you've got a grenade.
Huh. Could have used one of those in the first act.
Thank you. That was absolutely thrilling. True heroism in action. We are in your debt. We can take it from here.
Take me to the icebox, please. He knew he was better than here.
Believe me, son, you do not want to go to the icebox.
Let's get you inside, young man.
No, wait. You guys stay there.
Are you deleting them all?
Mm-hmm. She clears them off.
Those guys hurt you?
She deletes it, clears it off, and then she gets to the new one. So,
All of those?
you gotta do this one. Yeah.
Both of them?
There.